Personality tests and their variety. Personality testing is a popular field of psychological testing right now. Hundreds of personality tests are available, each based on a different theoretical perspective and employing a different procedure. Some tests concentrate on the precise measurement of a single construct or variable, whilst others aim to evaluate the personality as a whole, taking into account numerous dimensions or factors. These tests use a wide range of procedures, including almost all of the methods listed in the methodology section below. The MMPI, Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Inventory, and NEOPI are two of the most widely used general personality tests, along with the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. One of the common psychological exams in the world is the Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Inventory, MMPI. The MMPI is a self-assessment tool that has 567 true or false questions about oneself. The responses will aid mental health specialists in determining whether you are experiencing signs of a mental illness or personality disorder. Some of the questions are intended to gauge the attitude toward taking the test. The remaining questions are intended to determine if a person is being truthful or underreporting or overreporting to sway the test findings. The MMPI exams are used to measure mental health status on 10 distinct scales. Each scale denotes a distinct psychological pattern or condition. However, there is a great deal of overlap between them. Very high scores, in general, may suggest a mental health problem. Overall, the MMPI is a well-respected and well-studied exam for diagnosing disorders and mental illnesses. The NEOPI exam is designed to be used in clinical, consultative, and professional settings. This is one of the few personality tests based on factor analytic research demonstrating 5 primary personality components. This exam assesses each of the 5 components as well as their aspects. For instance, conscientiousness refers to how dependable, organized, and self-disciplined a person is. The NEOPI exam was created as a clinical evaluation tool, but an increasing number of businesses are adopting it as a psychometric test to see if their candidates are a good fit for both the job and the company's culture. The Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, uses 4 distinct dichotomies or scales to assess a person's cognitive image. The MBTI includes 16 personality types, each of which has a letter for each of the 4 scales that a person most closely matches, while each scale functions as a spectrum. While a person may not fit precisely into one of the types, the test is indicative of which aspect of the scale the individual fits best. However, some academics doubt the MBTI's neutrality, the questionnaires' methodology, and the test findings' dependability. The MBTI, on the other hand, is one of the most generally recognized personality tests due to its ease of use, simplicity, and long history as a working tool. Like any other business, a publishing firm needs to rely on a solid and multidimensional test. Despite its long-lasting history and solid approach, MBTI has become doubtful over the years, and MMPI is better to conduct alongside other tests. Therefore, the logical and solid choice will be to adhere to the NEOPI exam as the guiding personality test for the company.